Good morning, everyone. Say happy Friday. Can you say happy Friday? No. Quinny just woke up and she's still not feeling 100%. Hi, buddy. And it's a really gloomy day here, so I think we're just gonna hang out inside, unfortunately. And I have some fun activities for you, Quinn. I got some stuff yesterday when I was out in London, and we are gonna play with some glitter glue, and I got you a little like wooden dinosaur to paint. I'll show you guys in a minute. I have a bunch of stuff for her to do today to hopefully keep her occupied. Does that teething ring feel nice on your teeth? Yeah. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. Once everyone's awake, then I think I might get her doing something fun. Yay! He's playing with the most random toys. Right, buddy? You having fun? Quinn, look it, there's your breakfast. Your Paw Patrol cup with your water. And Mommy got you some watermelon and multi-grain Cheerios, your favorite. You want to eat your Cheerios?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want me to help you sit in your chair? You want me to help you sit? You don't want that? I'll just leave it here for you, and then if you want it, you can have it. Or you're gonna go put it in the freezer? Okay. Okay, you put it back in the freezer. You want to set it right there? Why don't you set it right here in the shelf? There you go. Perfect. And then you can grab it later. Okay, let's go. Pardon? I'm just going to turn a light on because it's kind of dark in here. Oh, there we go. You want help? Okay. Whoa, there you go. Push you in. Is that your favorite? So I wanted to show you guys one of the things I have planned for her for today. I heard about this from another vlogger, Haley Page, and it seems really cool. I'm gonna link it down below if anyone's interested in it. But it's a subscription box. I don't know a lot about it, to be totally honest. I just I heard about it on Haley's vlog and wanted to try it out for Quinn because it seems kind of cool. So it's a company called Kiwi Company, and you can subscribe to a different box. I believe it comes monthly, but I'll leave the information below in case I'm getting this wrong. So, and each box is depending upon, it just, you pick it based on your child's age. So Quinn just received her first box, and it's the tadpole crate. And it comes with a bunch of different activities, and it looks like, yeah, so this one's for ages 2+. What's wrong, hun? Masha?
Yeah.
Okay, just a second. Let Mommy just talk about this box for a second. So, this is the tadpole crate, and so I don't know if you can see here, for 2+. And this theme of this one is ocean games. So, you guys can see there. Promote thinking and logic skills by matching, sorting, and grouping colorful sea creatures. Okay, so from this crate. Okay, so you get a turtle frame, a fish frame, and paper squares. Oh, okay. Looks cool. It should be fun. And then ocean sort activity. That looks fun. So, oh, okay, so the little felt pieces will stick to, looks like there might be like a little... Yeah, Daddy is working. Yeah, Masha is sleeping. Masha, you guys, is like her... She's sleeping right now. I'll let you see her in a minute, okay? Quinn. Can you just give Mommy 1 minute? 1 minute and then you can see Masha, okay? Yeah, 1 minute.
Masha's sleeping.
Yeah, Masha is sleeping. Masha's her favorite show. I think Bryden discovered it on Netflix. Okay, you can have a few minutes of Masha while you finish your breakfast. Okay? Shay, you're so good, buddy. Okay, so where were we? Oh, it comes with a little book. Olive Search for Shells. Cute. And these are the little felt pieces that I think... Oh, and here's a little fishing rod. Oh, that's so cute. So this you use... Well, it's not really straightened out right now. Hold on. You use this to gather the felt pieces and then put them... It looks like there's like a little circular sheet here. Oh, maybe this is it. Like a little pond, and then you put the felt pieces on here, and then she's gonna use this to gather them all up. That's so awesome. Okay, that should occupy her for a little bit of time. And then I got a bunch of paint, and I'm thinking that maybe Quinn will like to paint this little dinosaur. It's just a little wooden dinosaur. And then I have a big roll of like brown paper. And I got her some glitter glues, so maybe she can use that to create something on the paper. And then I got a bunch of like school glue so that she can help me make some slime or something later. We'll see. What's wrong, sweetheart? What's wrong? Do you want me to wipe your nose? Here, let me wear it. Look. Oh, boogers. I know, your nose looks sore. I think you need some cream on it. Are you gonna eat your cereal? Yeah, you eat your cereal. Are we gonna have fun today? No. I think we will. Why are you hitting me? That's not very nice. We don't hit. Quinn. Can you just give me a nice pat on my leg instead? Okay, let's get dressed. And then we're gonna play with your glitter glue. Let's get dressed. Okay, come on. Do you wanna play with your glitter glue? Can we put this on? And now you're happy. Can you say hi to everyone? Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Are those your clothes?
Touch. But the shit.
Okay, come here. Let's get dressed. nose hurts? Do you want me to put cream on it? Yeah, do you want to go, we'll go wash it and then we'll put some cream on it. You want to wash it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go wash it. Can you get your pants and your socks and we'll put those on and then we'll go wash it. Get your pants too. Right there. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. Your nose hurts. I know. I'm going to fix it. I'll fix it. I just want to get your clothes on. And then we're going to play. Your bum hurts?
Yeah.
Oh, honey. You're in rough shape today. Is that better? No, I'm just wiping my hands. Come here, let's put your shoes, your socks on. Hi. You're gonna throw your socks at me? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know you don't feel good. Okay. Is that better?
Yeah. It's
Okay, there you go, sweetheart. Do you want to go play with glitter glue now? Yeah.
Shoot.
Okay.
Apple.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Ugh. Are you excited? Can I wipe your face off? I can wash your face?
That's the left.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, what color do you want to use? Look at these. So cool.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands.
raining, honey. Do you want to go fishing?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a plan.
Fishing.
Yeah, and Mommy's gonna set up another activity. Okay, now look. Cool. You hold this. And Mommy will put these all in the pond for you. Good job. Oh, try again. Cool. Are you fishing? Do you want to stand up and fish?
Yeah.
Okay. No. Where are you going? Into this playroom. Whoa! Wow, how fun! This playroom's a disaster. You want me to turn that on? Yeah. Okay. Machine. Okay, go get the baby monitor for Mommy. Go get Shay's. Can you get Shay's monitor? Here, Mommy will turn it on. Okay. This thing, you guys, is the best invention ever. She literally loves it. I actually brought it to the daycare so they could use it for a little bit there. Because the kids are going through like a bubble phase. I don't think it ever ends, to be honest. And because we don't care about this carpet, we can do this in here. Until it's nice enough to go outside. What's wrong? What? Go dip it back in the bubbles. What's wrong?
There's a bubble.
Okay, you gotta dip it back in the bubbles, like right over here. Ready? Want me to blow some? Ready?
Yeah.
Cool. You blow some bubbles. You're so cute. Ooh, don't eat it. Yucky. It tastes bad. Ugh.
Huh?
Pardon?
Papa?
Yeah, you're getting soap all over your hands.
Papa?
You put it in there. Can Mommy go make some breakfast? I'm hungry. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna go try and make myself something to eat, and then yeah. Oh, yeah, there's the lid. You put the lid back on, and then maybe you can play with your trains. Mommy's gonna turn off the bubble machine because it's out of bubbles. Pardon? Oh, you want? Yeah, there's more bubbles outside, but we have lots of bubbles in here, honey. We'll go outside when she wakes up, as long as it's not raining. Okay, this girl needs some attention.